Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on Bing app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing AI app and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing apps on screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap over there, and now you can see the settings option. So you need to select that option, and now you can see privacy option, so just tap on that option, and now you can see clear data at the top. So you simply need to tap on that option, and now you can see cached images and files. So you simply need to enable it, and now finally click on clear now, which is at the bottom of the screen, and you will be able to clear cache on Bing app successfully. So basically this is how you can clear cache on Bing AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.